Hello dear clients! My name is Janet Barsha, your Mitsubishi Motor Sales Consultant for today. So, dito ako ngayon sa loob ng sasakyan na #1 selling MPV dito sa Pilipinas. So, marami siyang awards and achievements na nakuha from 2018 up to present. Best Compact Carrier, 4-star safety rating, and Best Design MPV. So, let me introduce you the 2025 Mitsubishi Xpander GLS Automatic. Ang Xpander GLS Automatic ay naka-dynamic shield design. Hindi lang pang sporty look, kundi nagbibigay ng better aerodynamics. Naka T-shape LED type headlamps at LED daytime running lights. At fog lamps na naka silver bulb type. One of the best selling points ng Xpander is the sound insulating windshield na wala sa iba. This feature helps to minimize noise and vibration sa loob ng sasakyan para peaceful ang rides. Under the hood, it's powered by a 1.5-liter 4-inline double overhead camshaft, 16-valve gasoline engine with MIVEC technology. May maximum power na 105 PS by 6,000 RPM and maximum torque na 141 Nm by 4,000 RPM. At isa pa sa selling points ni Xpander ay ang paggamit ng molybdenum disulfide. Ito ay isang special na solid lubricant treatment na nakakatulong para mabawasan ang ingay ng makina habang tumatakbo. Fuel tank capacity of 45 liters. Sa dimension, meron itong overall length na 4,595 mm, wheelbase na 2,775 mm, overall width and height na 1,750 mm, and the minimum ground clearance of 225 mm. The tires are 205/55 R17 with stylish 17 inches two-tone alloy wheels. Sa suspension, sa front, MacPherson strut coil spring and stabilizer bar, and sa rear naman ay torsion beam. Sa brake, disc brake sa harap at drum brake naman sa likod. Equipped na din siya ng anti-lock braking system at electronic brake force distribution. Sa side mirror, naka-chrome with LED turn signal lights and also naka-keyless operating system na din. For the seat, naka 6-way manual adjustable sa driver seat and 4-way naman sa passenger. Naka-horizontal axis dashboard design with black and brown soft touch material. Naka-electric power steering na, 3-spoke leather wrap with audio control and cruise control. At may adjustment na tilt and telescopic. Naka-push start button na din, white lit high contrast meter cluster, at manual aircon digital type for air conditioning system. For the multimedia system, meron itong 9-inch multifunctional global display audio with 6 speakers including 2 tweeters. Convenient charging outlets, meron sa harap at sa likod. Console box with tissue pack holder, under seat tray, at maraming storage for all your needs like cellphones, cards, and wallets. Sa transmission, meron itong 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive off button and also equipped with electronic parking brake and brake auto hold. Xpander has 7-seater capacity, high-grade fabric ang seat material, merong 1,030 mm legroom, rear air conditioning system, at may charging ports din. Kapag nakatambol ang second row, mayroon itong 60/40 split ratio and 50/50 naman sa third row. At full flat volume na 1,630 liters for second row and third row, kaya sobrang luwag versus its competitors. For the rear view, naka T-shape LED rear combination lamps, naka fin type antenna, and meron ding rear spoiler. At meron din itong storage para sa mga basang gamit. For the safety features, ang Xpander ay naka-rise body o reinforced impact safety evolution. Ito ay isang advanced technology ng Mitsubishi para maprotektahan yung mga pasahero sa oras ng aksidente or collision. Ginamitan ito ng high-strength steel materials para maging mas matibay at kayang ma-absorb ang impact. Pinapababa nito ang damage na mararanasan ng mga pasahero sa loob. Sa harap, meron itong 3-point seat belts with ELR or emergency locking retractor. Sa second row, 3-point seatbelts din with ELR para sa 3 passenger. For the third row, 3-point seatbelts with ELR para sa 2 tao. May dual airbags for driver and front passenger. Other safety features are active stability control and traction control, hill start assist, ISOFIX and tether anchor, emergency stop signal, brake assist, at reverse camera. So, Expander GLS Automatic available in 4 different colors. Graphite gray metallic, red metallic, quartz white pearl, at yung bago ngayon na pinalit sa silver ay ang green bronze metallic. If you are interested or may questions po kayo, please contact me at 0968-7094944. That is my personal contact number as well as my Viber and WhatsApp. Once again, this is Janet Barcia from Mitsubishi Motors, Paco, Manila. See you!